Ever wondered how to make pasta without sauce and tomato? It might seem like a culinary conundrum, but today we're going to unravel the mystery of this delicious yet unconventional approach to pasta. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need about half a pound of your favorite pasta, a hearty dose of olive oil, fresh garlic cloves, a pinch of red chili flakes, and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Fresh basil or parsley gives a delightful finish, so keep some at hand. Begin by boiling your pasta. Fill a large pot with water, add a teaspoon of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Toss in your pasta and let it cook until it's al dente. While the pasta cooks, let's move on to the next step. Heat up a large skillet and pour in a good amount of olive oil. Once the oil is hot but not smoking, add finely chopped garlic. Sauté it gently until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. Now add a pinch of red chili flakes for that surprising hint of spice. By now, your pasta should be perfectly cooked. Drain it and keep some pasta water aside. This starchy water can help adjust the consistency of your dish if needed. Now comes the fun part. Add the drained pasta to the skillet with the garlic and chili oil. Toss it well, ensuring every strand of pasta is coated with the flavorful oil. If it seems a bit dry, add a little pasta water. Finish off this delightful dish with a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Toss the pasta one more time so the cheese can melt and coat the pasta. Add some freshly chopped basil or parsley, and voila! You've made pasta without sauce and tomato. To summarize, this recipe involves boiling your choice of pasta until it's al dente, sautéing garlic in olive oil until golden brown, adding a pinch of chili flakes, and tossing the cooked pasta in this fragrant oil. Finish the dish with a sprinkle of Parmesan and fresh herbs. This pasta dish is a testament to the fact that sometimes less is more. Without the usual tomato sauce, the simple flavors of garlic, chili, and Parmesan shine through, creating a dish that's not only delicious, but also surprisingly easy to prepare. So next time you're in the mood for pasta but are out of sauce and tomatoes, remember this recipe. It's a delightful twist on the traditional that's sure to impress. Enjoy.